Bermuda Fish Chowder. A main dish from Bermuda. Serves 4. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. In a large pot, heat the olive oil. Step 2. Chop the leeks, onion, parsley, carrots, celery and garlic and add to pot and cook until soft. Step 3. Add fish, cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 4. Cut up potatoes and add to pot. Step 5. Add curry powder, tomato paste, ketchup, tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, water and salt and pepper. Step 6. An NBSP, cook on low heat for 1 hour. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.